Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to save ourselves a little bit of time and nerves by using virtual environments. Why? Because you don't wanna pollute your basic Python installation by, for example, creating a couple of Django similar projects. Okay, so virtual environments will save us a lot of time. Okay, so if you're using Python 3 version, you already have this. If for some weird reason you don't have this module, okay, then just type pip install virtual env, and I have everything here already, so that's it. So let's clear screen. So how to create your first virtual environment directory? This is what you need to type: Python venv, okay, and then name of that directory that we are going to create, that new virtual environment, and we're gonna put, let's say, Django in it. So that will be env, let's say, test, or test stuff, just test stuff, and this will probably took 2 or 3 seconds, something like that. There is a lot of files that need to be copied and some things need to be set up. Right, so creating this stuff is not enough. You need to get into that directory. So cd test stuff, and let's dir. So this thing here, scripts, that's important. Why? Because you need to get there to activate this environment. So now that's just directory, but we need to activate that stuff. So cd scripts, and let's see what's in it. There you go. So what we need to type here is activate, okay, and watch what's gonna happen here. This line will change into something else. See, this means that environment is fine and ready. So let's say for testing purposes we will upgrade pip. Okay, so Python, I think pip install upgrade pip, don't forget that. And now we will upgrade pip in this environment. Okay, there you go. Nice, cool. So see, this is existing, that was existing installation, this one, and now we have the latest edition. That's cool. So now let's say that we wanna work with something important, let's say Django, and just type pip install Django, and maybe I will cut this video to save you a little bit of time, because actual line by lines are not that important. So I have Avast complaining, so let me just cancel this stuff. Just a second. Come on. And there you go. And I will probably cut here video just for a second. Okay, that's pretty much a done thing. How I know that I have Django right now? Well, you can just run this stuff again and everything is fine. The requirements already satisfied, and you can dir here, and there is Django admin here application that will help you to create Django projects. So I will not go into Django right now. You have a couple of playlists on Django on my channel. So I don't know why you need virtual environments. You probably want to do something nice. So I will cut video here, but the thing is that you also need to know how to deactivate this stuff. So when you type deactivate, there you go. Now you are into normal, let's say, DOS. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you next tutorial.